Hello. Hope everybody can hear me. This is John Russo with my screencast on form processing. All right. This is the actual form that I created. Um, what it does is it's supposed to take the input and return certain values. So, just a quick demonstration before I go through the code. Type in your first name, your last name, your username, put in a password. As you can see, if you put in a password or if you leave something blank and hit submit, it will actually give you an error. So, got the password in, and now I'm going to browse for the file, and I'm just going to select this school JPEG or PNG, hit open, then I go ahead and hit submit, and it actually displays the data. It displays the first name, last name, my username, the encrypted password, showing that you can see that it has the hash and the salt and all that stuff, and then it says the valid file was uploaded. Okay, now this is the actual code that I got to do the page itself. As you can see, it's just a standard form. I did put some styles in here to keep it decent looking, and I put a header or a top and a bottom to actually style out the page. But the code is over here. I went ahead and commented it out. Excuse the way I'm talking. I'm getting sick, so bear with me. So in this first area, you can see that I'm assigning the variables collected from the input. So these are the actual input form variables that are collected from the post array. Go down through here. You got your first name, last name, username. I couldn't really figure out how to actually get the encrypted password going. I did get it to encrypt, but for some reason, every time I printed the post array, it would still show the legible password. I know this is a workaround, but I went ahead and assigned it to a variable. It reassigns the post password with the encrypted password, so that's how I got that to function. I'd like some guidance on how to fix that. The next one is down here. This is the encryption. This is the blowfish encryption, the algorithm. I just left it at the standard 10 that we learned in class, and also the salt. It comes here and it actually combines the algorithm with the salt, combines the two, and then it returns. Then here it actually encrypts both the password, adds in the hash, and adds in the salt format, and then here it returns the password. Right, now this right here is a loop that actually takes the information from the post array and I created an associative array called new user, and as it goes through each individual item, it actually populates the new user, and that functioned correctly. The next area is where I actually display the output. I got the first name with the first in the array, in the associative array. I got break. I got the last name where it displays the last name in the associative array, the username, the encrypted password, and so on. And down here, this is where it actually collects the file. This is from what I learned in class. I'm no expert on uploading. I'm still a little confused on that. But I went ahead and I just changed it a little bit to make sure the file's not uploaded. So this uploads it to the image directory. It actually creates another array to hold the file, and that's why it shows up as underscore files here. And this is where it actually displays the image. So I hope this works. It's pretty fun, and hopefully I'll do better from here on out as far as getting the stuff. Will definitely. I appreciate you, and have a great night. Thank you.